Don't you hate colds and flus? I know I do. And my wife has, for the last week, been suffering with sore throat and so forth. And she's been, I thought, oh, cool, I'm not going to get it. But unfortunately, last night I went to bed and I had a slightly scratchy throat. And this morning I felt, ugh. Went to work today, and unfortunately, it just got worse as time went on. So I booked a doctor's appointment for tomorrow, and I'm taking tomorrow off and going to go to the doctor's. Now, as those of you who are on the carnivore diet, can you please give me advice on what you can do to get extra vitamin C into your body? Clearly without having to take fruit. I've been taking what they call Berocca, which is a tablet that dissolves in the water. It's got like 1 carb or something like that, and it's really sweet. It is berry tasted, unfortunately. It does have that sort of flavouring to it, but it does also have vitamin C, which is helpful, I suppose. I use that primarily because it also gives you some electrolytes as well. Now, I take magnesium tablets, usually 1 or 2 tablets a day. That helps to keep you regular, which is, praise God. But the thing is, what I'm trying to say here is that with the carnivore diet, because it lacks vitamin C, and we can get colds and flus, I'm kind of wondering, is it likely to stick around longer because of the carnivore diet? I don't know. I'm hoping, because my wife was sick with it for well over a week, and she's only just sort of starting to feel better now and not laying most of the day in bed all the time. So I'm hoping that she will be able to begin to feel better. Now, today I've been coughing and spluttering. You can tell my voice is a bit more hoarse than usual. And anyway, it's one of those things that you just have to live with. My wife said to me today, we're almost out of honey. It's pity I can't give you any honey. I looked at her and I said, darling, I can't have honey. She completely forgot. I've only been doing it for a bit over a month now, so it's understandable. She's, bless her heart, she's awesome. Anyway, saying that, if anyone has any advice or suggestions or anything that can help maybe get extra vitamin C into your body when on the carnivore diet, can you please let me know? Because, especially down in the description down below, because I'd love to know. Basically, also to my weigh-in, I started off the carnivore diet at 106 kilos. It's been a little bit over a month. I think it's 2 days over an entire month, and I literally have lost 8 kilos. For those who speak in pounds, that's around about 16 pounds in a month. I think that's brilliant. Now, my work requires me to push trolleys around, and I work at a hardware store in Australia, biggest one in Australia, and I push trolleys around and I do all that sort of stuff. But it keeps me active, keeps me busy, and helps me to be exercising. I walk around. I do about 10,000 steps a day, pushing trolleys around and various other things. Now, with that, I know it's helping me keep my weight down, and I'm losing it really rapidly, which is fantastic. And I'm extremely excited that I know that for a little bit of time I wasn't losing any weight, and I realized that the reason why that was because I was packing my food with too much oil, too much butter, too much fat. And I didn't say oil, fat and butter. And that was too calorie dense for me. So for me to lose weight, I had to reduce the calories. So I stopped pouring butter onto my steak and pouring butter all over my eggs and whatever else I was eating. So what I found that I had to do was just eat what I cooked from, eat what I had in the pan, and don't necessarily add the oil to it. Just have the eggs and the steak and whatever else I happen to cook, and just use that, and don't pour anything else over the top of it. And instead, put that into another container and store it in the fridge. Anyway, with that, I really thank you for watching. Guys, if you got some value out of this video, I know it's just a random little video here tonight. Because I'm not feeling very well, I don't have a real plan as to what this video is going to be about. I just know that I just want to share where I'm at right now, and hopefully I can get some good advice from somebody. Now, I do also have a carnivore Facebook channel, and I'll leave that link in the description down below. I will also look at maybe seeing if I can get onto some health food shops that can supply various vitamins and minerals that I particularly use myself, and I'll maybe recommend those in the description box as well, and there'll be affiliate links when I eventually get them. So just be aware, I'm going to be upfront and honest about all this, but the thing is, if you guys can just give me some hints, some clues, that'd be really great, especially about how to get over this kind of thing when you're on the carnivore diet. Alright guys, love you heaps, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.